day 53 of my weight loss journey. Some jumping jacks and I think I cramp again. I felt some cramping on my left leg again. So before I get worse, I stopped my jumping jacks and I just did some shadow boxing for today. I think the reason for this was I am on a intermittent fasting and maybe I do not drink a lot of water. That's why I get cramps. This week I forgot to tell, but I did some intermittent fasting. So my eating window is 6 o'clock in the evening up to 10 p.m. So it's a little bit too much, more than 16:8. But I think I can do it because we need to reach ketosis, and sometimes I overeat. So I think intermittent fasting can help. But I think the problem is I do not drink a lot of water. So I think for the next week I need to drink a lot of water. And I think I need to eat some banana. Yeah, I get a lot of set today. 53. See you on day 54.